Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. I know it's been a while. I was away. If you're new here, my name is Bude, and welcome to Bude Unlimited YouTube channel. I know today I shot a video in a different place. So I'm back in US. I'm back in US, and that's where I am right now. And I'm at this point here. And I'm at the farm. So I'm in US. I came here for two things: my friend wedding, and I need to take care to come see my family. And then I have a surprise for you because I came back because we had another baby, and it's a son. That's why I came back for it, and to make sure I'm around when we're having the baby, because my wife, she was in US. But pretty soon I'll be going back to to Burundi in Africa. So, but before I go back, I had to learn some stuff. Come do some training and come learn from people who've been doing farming for so long, and see how they're doing their stuff. So that's why I'm here. So I'm gonna probably try to drive a tractor today. They have some old school tractors that I want to learn. They're pretty good, pretty heavy, pretty strong tractors. So that's why I decided to come learn something at this farm. So I hope you guys will see it. I hope you will see. I'll show you guys the videos and everything of how it looks like, and what kind of stuff that they have here. They got they have some goat, some chicken, some little stuff, but they're pretty nice family. It's one of my friend family's family, his dad and his mom. So I can't wait to show you guys what seeing and what I'm learning. See, like right now, I'm on this tractors right here. This is an old tractors. I don't know how to drive this kind of tractors because I'm looking for a tractor. So I'm trying to see which kind of truck should we get at the farm. And if you know what kind of truck we should get at the farm, so you gotta get a good truck. That don't wanna just buy a small truck in Africa and then start buildings breaking down. It's not as strong enough to do the jobs. So we're looking for a good tractors, and I'm learning these tractors how to drive them and see how good they are and get the intel of the inside of these tractors for the people who've been farming for years and years and years. So I'm here to learn, and I'm learning. So when I go back to Burundi, things are well. So I was quiet because there's so much going on, but I'll be telling you guys little by little as we go the next episode. But for right now, I want to show you guys what I'm doing, where I am. I'm in America, and I'm fine. Nothing happened. I'm good, and so yeah, keep watching this video, and then I hope you guys enjoy it. And make sure, if you're a new person, make sure you subscribe and share. And then pretty soon we'll be going back to Africa. So thank you, and I guys have a nice day. I'll keep watching this video. Not having a nice day. The video is not over yet. So all right, in a little bit here. Let me take you guys over here. I hope you guys see where I am and what I'm driving. Driving a golf cart. That's the farms in the US right now, man. I'm at the moment. So that's where they keep their horse over here, and I came over here to plug in a power cord on this tractor here that I'm gonna be driving today. So I'll be driving this tractor today. So I'm gonna be doing some training today and learn how to drive tractors at the farm. And this is the old tractor. So yeah, I'm gonna be getting some lessons today. So yeah. I'm gonna plug this in. Put this somewhere here. It's time to plug this thing. I'm plugging this thing here. All right, let's just plug in this tractor here. I'm gonna keep it warm a little bit. All plugged in. This one maybe. This one. So yeah, I want to show you guys around with a big tractor. We got that, we got this, they got this here, they have all these here. And I'm honored to be here, man. I'm honored to learn as much that I can. So yeah, I'm back in USA learning some stuff on the tractors and then farming. Yeah, so you gotta pick up as little bit that you can. So yeah, I came over here, checking stuff out and learning some stuff. So yeah, let's keep going. So I have a quick story here. So me learning about this farm. They've been around for say 70 plus, almost 100 years, 70 plus years. So they have a lot of stuff, a lot of stuff. So as a young man, I learned one thing here, that it's not an overnight thing to have all these tractors and all this stuff over here. It's not an overnight thing. It takes a lot of years, and it takes a lot of you gotta give it time, energy, and all that stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys a couple tractors that they have. They have a bunch. I'll show you guys this side and then the other side too. It's gonna dark a bit. You see? They have all these tractors here. All these. All these here. Like all these runs. Not one of all this stuff here, they do work. And But having all this stuff just takes a lot of years. All of these works, it's a bunch of tractors, and a bunch of stuff just for farming. As a kid who wants to be a farmer in Africa, who's not wants to be a farmer, who's a farmer in Africa, start doing some chicken farm, pig farm, and we're going to goat farm and all that stuff that we're doing. To get to this point of having all this stuff sitting in here and they're not doing anything, they're just sitting there, it would take me a lot of years. So the question is, that I'm ready to take all them years and all those experience to get to this point or to get farther this point? That's a good question. I'm excited to learn, and I'm learning a lot. They told me that they had a first house, they had fire, the house burned out, they didn't have insurance for the house, and they lose all they lose that money in the house at the same time because the house was on fire. I'm excited and I'm impressed with what I see, what I saw this today on Saturday. So I'm gonna show you guys more stuff, but I'm gonna show you the other house. So as a young man, you wanna do farming, just don't rush it. Don't think it's gonna happen today. It's gonna take time. And then I'm here trying to learn the tractors. I'm trying to learn all this stuff because I know one day I wanna own stuff like this. I'm gonna have stuff like this, and I'm learning. Hey, it's all patient. You gotta take your time, and I'm excited to see what the future is gonna take us. And I'm super excited to see all this year, all that stuff, and it's amazing. And thank God that I came here. And my goal, I'm looking for a tractor to take back to Africa. So that's the main goal. So, but before I take any tractors, I gotta learn for people that I've been doing for so long, and because I'm getting ready to go back. So I'm so excited today. I learned a lot. Um, I learn about the tractors and how they work and all kind of tractors. Got some very good tractors, very old, and but they have so much power. So if you have this stuff in Africa, that I can talk about it, but um, and one thing, if somebody knows how to ship things from US to Africa, please, if you know somebody, let me know because I'm thinking about shipping some tractors, some stuff in Africa. So I want you guys, if you have somebody that you know how to ship stuff over their tractors and machines, please um, send me my Instagram, Bude, John Bude. Send me um, I will send I'll link my phone number down below, and then you can just check me on Instagram, Bude Sadiki, on my Facebook, my Instagram is John Bude, and send me a comment down there below if you know somebody who knows how to get things from US to Burundi, machines or whatever, who can ship tractors or whatever. So I'm trying to figure that out so I can know how much it's gonna cost so we can get these tractors going. So I'm so excited to what I got, and I'm back in US, and then I'm going back, and I'm excited. I have my wife, my wife here, or my kids, my 2 kids now. I have a boy, just have a new boy, 2 months old. So I was quiet, but I'm fine. And then there's so much happened, in Burundi. I have a lot of issues, but we're working through it. So I can't wait to see you guys. Pretty soon, people are in Burundi. If you're looking for me in Burundi, I'm not there, but I'll be there pretty soon. So yeah, let's keep watching this video. Thank you. Look at these tractors. Look all that stuff, man. Look at that. The one that I really like is this one here. Having this tractor, it's better because it has these. So I can move things, I can do a lot of stuff with these, especially in Africa. I can make my road, my farm road and all that stuff. We can make this out road and fix our own road. So this is what I really looking into having. So please give me a call if you know somebody who can ship stuff in Africa. And then I'm thankful for today. It's been a good day. And I'm gonna go show you guys more tractors here pretty soon too. On the other side, they have more tractors. Like right there, that one place is about almost like 10 tractors, and then there's more on the other side. So it's been an amazing day, and yeah, let's keep watching the video. turkeys, these are chickens. We had some goat. So there's goat here. So you ever see black chicken?
You should have got your job done already, sir. I don't know who's worse, you or her.
Have you ever seen chickens like this? What do you want me to do? I'm here for you. Are you guys doing vaccine? Oh.
Okay, I guess your front one was worse than I thought it was. I need you goobering it up and using it.
I'll show you guys around. So that's the farm. That's another chicken house right there. That's like it's winter time now, so they're taking everything out and them little houses right there. That house right there, where the chicken used to stay in there. So but winter's coming out, so they gotta take all those things out. The house used to have animals over here in the summertime, but they all put them on that big house over there. So because it's winter, so they gotta move things out like that. So yeah. I think I should close that one right here too. So yeah, so this is what I'm talking about. All these stuff here is for the animals. You can just have the animal walk around and all that. And yeah. And this is another little tractor that I like. You know, this can do about like 10 acres, 10 acres to 9 acres with this tractor here. You know, you can do like 10 acres to 9 acres with that tractor here. This is a pretty nice tractor. I really like it. It's pretty nice and pretty small. Pretty old school, but pretty strong for the work that I'm trying to do back in Burundi. So that's a pretty nice tractor there. So yeah, they have a bunch of these tractors here, a bunch of them. Some of these been here for probably a year or so, not even running, not even doing anything with it. So like that one, you know, I really like that size. All right, I gotta close this door. So it's a big field with a lot of things. So there's cows over here too. Cows, pretty nice cows over here actually. Black and white ones. They got more over there. We got more over there. See all that stuff over there, and it's a pretty nice place. I really like this area. And so now we got another area. That's another area for the tractors. Let's call that was area A, and this is one is area B. So there's another area for another small tractors over here. Tractors and tractors, and see how big this one is. I should put the light on. Let me check it out. The light, like this here or somewhere. Probably not. But all right, let me go over there and show you guys this big tractor here. So that's how big this tractor is. So it's a stand-up price. How big it is? It's pretty big, like a big tractor. So yeah, that's a big tractor. And then over here, we got. So let's count: 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4. Oh, gotta get this place is tight. So we got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just 12 tractors here. And this is the planter. If you're not plant, this is a planter. And that looks like a brand new tractor. This one here. And it's so the brand of the tractor. That's how good this tractor is here. It looks brand new too. So stuff like that, like this size is pretty good for a guy like around a couple acres, 10 acres, whatever. So I'm just so excited about this place. And and I think I forgot about this. This 13. I forgot about that tractor here. This one here, I forgot to count this 13 tractor. Just on this place. And the other place that I took you guys over there. Trust me. It's not an overnight success. It takes a lot of years. And the fun thing about all these are cash free, they're all paid off. They're not on. That's one thing I learned about this farm. It's a family farm and they're pretty nice and they welcome me in to give me a chance to work over here today. And I'm excited and I'm happy to be here today and I learned a lot and probably I should come over here to learn way more stuff and man, I can't wait to take whatever I learned from here and to take it back to Africa and apply all those stuff that I'm learning over here. So yeah, and so yeah, I'm fine. And then one thing I want to check on about the farm in Africa, the farm is doing good. We got the house done. We got some chicken in and all that stuff. I'm gonna show you guys. We got so much stuff to show you guys once I get back. But the house is finished, and then yeah, we got that big house done, and we got more pigs, more baby pig, more piglets. We got couple things in on the farm, so I can't wait to show you guys once I get back, and I'm excited and I'm happy, and I'll see you guys on the next video pretty soon. And if one thing I want somebody to help me, if you know somebody who can ship, machines or things in Burundi, please give me a comment below, and then I want to ship things over there. So comment below if you know somebody, so I can see if I can get a couple tractors over there. All right, I hope you guys are doing well, and I'm doing fine. And then I'll see you guys on the next video. And then the film of this video is it's not an overnight success. You gotta work at it. You gotta put in time. You gotta. It's a baby step, one thing at a time, and some things will work out, and some things will work out. If one doesn't work out, just wake up in the morning and do it again. It takes time. Don't rush. Don't be envy of people. Do not get jealous to people. Do not feel like people are getting more than you. Yes, they're getting more than you because they wait longer. Take years to have all this stuff here. All that. All this here, it takes so much years. Just don't wake up in the morning and have all this. That and that house I'll show you about the other farm, the other place I showed you guys before. It all take times. So you just gotta have a dream, you gotta have a goal, you gotta know what you're going. And my goal to be a farmer in Africa is not to keep doing the same old stuff. I want to modernize the farm like in a different way. I want to have a progress farmer, not just being a normal farmer forever. I want to have tools. I want to have bobcats. I want to have tractors. Like I want to be a real farmer. I just don't want to wake up in the morning and stuff. No, I just want to take things little by little and get there. And then, if you didn't subscribe, make sure you subscribe and share it. And then, I want to hit 1,000 subscribers next year. So that's my goal. Make sure you share and make sure you subscribe. See you guys, and see you guys back in Africa pretty soon. Thank you.